Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as I am a freelancer, I know very well how to work on Upwork, and I would like to share my experience with you. And I will teach you how you can get started on Upwork as a freelancer and increase your bank balance. So let's get started. Before we start the video, you need to know in order to start working on Upwork, you need a very good profile here on Upwork. If you don't have an Upwork account, then the first step is you can sign up, and I will show you how can you sign up here on Upwork and get approved Upwork profile. I heard that many freelancers facing difficulties in approving their account when they are going to sign up on Upwork. Upwork will not approve their account. If your account is not approved, then you are not able to start working on Upwork. So you need to fill all the details carefully in order to get an approved Upwork account. So please watch this video carefully and fill all the details as I did described in this video. So first you need to open your Google, and in your browser you need to type Upwork sign up. When you did type, you will get a link to sign up on your Upwork. Here you will find the link, and while opening this link, you are going to the page where you can get sign up option. Here you see that you need to fill with work email address. You can continue with Google also, but I suggest you need to fill here your email ID. You can type here your Gmail ID. When you did type your ID here and click on the continue with email button here, it will take to another page, or it displays a message like this: we noticed you are using gmail.com address. Would you like to use your work email instead? So simply ignore this message. You need to simply type your Gmail address and then continue with email button. When you click on continue with the email button, then you need to fill out the form. So here the form will open in your screen. So you need fill all the details carefully. I will show you how you can fill the details. Here you see you need to fill first name and last name. So please add your first name and last name same as in your bank account details or as in your ID cards, because when a work review your profile, or after some time if a work asks you to verify your profile through video call, they will ask you to show your identity cards. So you need to show your identity cards, and your first name and last name should be match with the identity cards, and same in the bank details, because if your first name and last name will not match with your bank account details, then you will face difficulties in withdrawing your funds. So fill all the details carefully. You need to create a password after filling the first name and last name. So you can set your password. You can set strong password here in the drop down. From this drop down menu, you can select your country. Here you see two options: hire for a project or work as a freelancer. So if you would like to hire freelancer, then you can click here. You can click here. And if you work as a freelancer, then you need to click here. After that, you need to select your username. You can select your username as your own choice. So after doing this, you need to tick mark both these boxes. By tick mark, you accept the Upwork terms and policies, agreements, and after filling all the details, you need to click here on create my account button below. So please keep in mind, fill the details carefully. When you fill the details carefully, then Upwork will send you a email on your email address to verify your email address. So you can open your email ID and you can verify from there your email. Here you can verify. Once you verified, you will see screen as such, verification completed. Now fill out your application. So once your verification completed, now it's time to fill out the application. So before filling out the application, you need to fill out all the details carefully. Here you see there are many sections here, like getting started, expertise, experience level, education. You need to fill all details carefully so that Upwork will approve your account without any problem. So when you getting started to fill out the application form, you have two options to fill out the profile. You can upload your profile link or you can fill out manually. I always suggest you to fill out this form manually. So when you click on fill out manually button, then it will take to you expertise. In expertise section, you need to check what services you want to offer to your clients. So always select the expertise in so that you are 100% confident that you are able to provide that services with a top quality work. Because in our work, when you completed your job, the client will give you a feedback and rating. So it's very important for you to get the good feedback on your profile in order to win lots of job on Upwork. So choose your categories in which you are expert. After that, you need to select an level. So you need to select expert level always, because client always try to hire a freelancer who is expert. So please choose expert level. After that, you need to select education. You can add education, and after that you can add employment. So you can add all these sections. Language, in which language, always choose fluent. If fluent is the better option to select here, so choose fluent. After that, you need to set your hourly rate. Here you need to know one thing, that Upwork will charge. Upwork charge 20% of amount when your contract started first time. In every single contract, Upwork charges a fees. When your contract started, Upwork will charge 20% of the amount. Once you reach 500 USD, then Upwork will start charging 10%. After that, when you on that same contract you earn 10,000 USD, then Upwork will charge 5% of the amount. So select your hourly rate in such a way that you will get benefit from your work that you will provide to your clients. After that, you need to select the title and overview. Now title and overview is the main, so select your title and overview in such a way that client catches it catches client attentions. Now add your professional photo. Profile pic. Your profile pic is always professional. It looks like you are a professional, so that client will not hesitate to hire you. After that, you need to add your location. Add the location carefully. In here, you need to add country, street address, city. So you need to add all these things carefully, because in future when Upwork will verify your profile, then you can show your ID cards with the similar address you currently fill here. After that, you need to add phone number. Your phone number will not be shared with the client, so you can add the phone number without any problem. So after completing all these sections, you can preview your profile and submit your profile from here. After submitting your profile, you will get a congratulation message here once your profile approved by Upwork. If your profile approved by Upwork, then you will get here congratulation message here. Sometimes Upwork sends you a message that they will review your profile and take time to review your profile. So it will take 24 hours to approve your profile. But don't worry, you will get an approved profile by filling all the details carefully. So please fill all the details carefully here. I hope you understand what I am trying to say, how you can fill your profile, what details you need to fill. If you have any questions regarding a sign up process, you can comment below so that I can help you. It will make your profile approved without any problem. So please keep watching my videos, because I am going to upload more videos regarding how to start freelancing on Upwork, how you can place proposal, how you can land on your first job, how you can earn a top rated wage on Upwork. There are many things on Upwork you need to learn if you are starting on freelance on Upwork. So you need to learn many things. So please keep watching and do subscribe the channel so that you can get notified when I will upload any new video. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and best of luck for your freelancing career. Bye bye. Have a good time.